Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto Luna Classic. So it corrected down all the way to the targets that we talked about. What is next right now? What are we going to do? What are the support levels, the next resistance levels, the realistic price predictions? Let's start. So right here we have the Luna Classic. And what we are having is a retest of the previous support line. Drawing the fib from the bottom to the top, you can see that we are holding the 0.618 Fibonacci, the 0.3016, 5. All right, around there, 0.166 to 0.30165. We are holding this line, retesting it, and right now you can see in the 4-hour frame we closed a little bit above, but we managed to pull it off and to go eventually a little bit higher now that the market is pumping a little bit as well. For example, BTC and stuff like that. Okay, so we want to see what is next. Can we keep holding this in the daily frame? Can we keep having this as a support line? First of all, I want to tell you that if we lose it as a support level into the daily frame, for example, let's say that we close below in the daily frame, below this support line, the 0.3016685, then we are going down to all these support levels right here. In this case, I want to remind you actually to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto. Do not forget to join it. This is the time to invest and trade in the cryptocurrency market. I have the link in the description box and in the comment section down below. Let's go right now to see what are the next targets, of course, for Luna Classic. So I said that if we close below the 0.3016685, we are going all the way down to the 0.3011162. Okay, so yeah, it is going to be a huge problem, but we might be doing that. For example, right now we are in a very critical support line. We had it as a resistance level back here 1-2 times, and now we are holding it as a support line. Now, if we do not close below and things are going good, let's say that things are going fantastic, what are the next resistance levels? I'm going to draw a fib from the top to the bottom this time so we can find some major resistance levels. Right now, if I go to the 4-hour frame as well, maybe the next resistance level, and this is what we can do, is to go back and climb to the 0.3018 9 to 19. Okay, so around there we can be going to. However, we have one problem, the 20-day MA, this yellow line right here. You can see that this yellow line is standing right now at near the 0.307972. If we can close above around this target, then we are going to the 0.3019, and if we close above the 3.3019, then we can go to the 0.3020. Okay, so closing above this line will get us to the next one, and then will get us to the next one as well. Right now for Luna Classic, what we need to do is to go and have a trend-based Fibonacci extension. Okay, we can have some more targets from the bottom to the top and back to the bottom. Okay, so you can see that the first huge resistance level is also what we talked about before, right? It collides perfectly with the 20-day MA. So everything is not a coincidence in trading, as long as you know the tools and you know how to draw them. Okay, so of course trading is not gambling. You minimize the risk, but you always have a risk. Remember that in every trade you take, you always have a risk of getting liquidated through your stop loss. And that's why it is very significant to always have a stop loss in your trades. Anyway, let's go right now and see. We talked about that if we close above this line, we are going to the 0.3019, then we are going even higher. Now, can this work as a double bottom pattern eventually in the daily frame? You can see it better, I think. Double bottom pattern, and then we go all the way higher. It kind of work out as that, but the neckline is the 0.30195. Now, you all know in the books of the trading, we always talk about that when you have a double bottom pattern, you have a neckline as well, in which you have to confirm that you're going above the neckline so you can get a long position. And this neckline right here is the 0.3019518. Okay, closing above this line will get us, of course, all the way up to the 0.30284 and the 0.3022312. Why I'm saying about mostly resistance than support levels this time for Luna Classic? Because for now, we are eventually still holding the 0.618, right? We are still holding this line right here. If we do not hold and we just crumble down, then I'm going to talk about support levels more than I'm talking about resistance levels. At the end of the day though, pay attention to higher targets because it is quite possible that we go higher right now with Luna Classic instead of going lower. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription. Thank you for watching. See you soon with many more videos.